Okay, everyone. Some of you have wanted me to do a tutorial on how I do my clocks in Microsoft Word. The first thing I did was I went to Insert and I clicked on Shapes and I clicked on the circle. And then I click on the page to put my circle there. Once I get my picture there, I go to Shape Format and I make sure the size is 7.25, 7.25. Okay, once I get that done, I go to Insert, Picture. Now this is a Father's Day clock that I'm doing for someone. Then once that, it's going to pop up, but you're not going to see your picture. You go to Wrap Text in front of text. And then I position my picture and you size your picture to whatever size you want. So I'm just playing around with the size right now. Now I'm just going to play around with putting some words in it. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to click here. Click that one. A box is going to pop up. And I'm going to type in World's Greatest Dad. Okay, I'm going to resize that and change the font. This is a Hello Honey font that I downloaded from dafont.com. I think I want that bolded. And I think I want to add some effect to the word. Let's see. Not that one. Let me find it. Put that down here. Got where I found it. I can't find where I can change this to kind of curve it. Alright, we'll go down to transform. I'm going to try this one. Okay, so basically what I was looking for. We'll change the font size again. Okay. Then she wanted some words at the bottom that says Happy Father's Day. So we'll go back here, move this down some, type in Happy Father's Day. Okay, change my letters. And the size. Do a shape effect. Do the transform. Might make this a little bigger. Let me see. I'm gonna bring it down to maybe oops, got to highlight it first. We'll do like a 55. Okay, then I'll go back, transform it. Okay, now I'm gonna work on my picture again, because the picture is a little bit too big. And try to make sure it's centered. Right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and change this to 55 since my other one is 55, so they'll be the same. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the hands on the clock. So I'm gonna hit insert. I'm gonna go to my pictures, this device, and I'm gonna look for where I saved my clock faces. And then I actually, when I saved my clock faces, this is the originals here, I went to remove background, and I removed the background on these clock faces so they'll be more transparent. So I'm going to use this one where I remove the background. Alright, once you did a pop-up like this, you go to wrap text in front of. Then I'm going to size it to 7.25 and 7.25. And I'm going to place it where I want it. And I'm going to stretch it out some. And bring it down. So, alright, so once I do that, I see that I need to go back and adjust my picture and my words. So, but first, before I do that, I'm going to have to bring this down so I can be able to get to my picture and my words. Alright, so I did that part. Alright, now let me bring it up some so I can get to Happy Father's Day. Alright, let me put this back and see what I've got. Okay, now let me see what else I could do to this. And if you want to change the colors of your clock face, you can actually go with that, the box around it. You go to picture format, color, and you see different colors down here that you can actually choose, and it will change the color of the clock numbers Okay. I'm not sure which one I want to use. Let me try this blue. Okay, you see my words are still not how I want it. So, bring this back down. I may actually, let's see, I may actually change these to white. Let me see how it will look. I don't like the white letters. But the red looks good. Okay, let's see something. Oops. Trying to see where I see that letter line over it. Okay, where's kind of center? Bring this in a little bit. There we go. Okay. Okay, I actually may need to go in and change my font size. As you can see, it can be a little time consuming. You have to play around with it to get it just the way you want it. So yeah, I think I might do the 48 and be done with it. Okay. Okay. Now, I need to get these letters right. Change this for 48. And read. So, and this one. Make sure this is in the middle. Go.